What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Prince, you already know. Out here with the Polo PitBike, just another day. MotoVlog. Gonna ride around, practice some wheelies, see what trouble I can get myself into. But yeah, stay tuned. I also got this new mic, so hopefully the audio sounds good. You guys can hear me clearly. Everything, you know, the wind is low and all that. Ah, I'm getting run over. Ah! She's so happy. What you looking at? Oh, oh. Niggas looking at me like I'm crazy. Well, bitch, I am crazy. Whoa, 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 whoa. I almost got hit right there. Should I go riding with them bikers? I don't even got plates. Look at this little 250. What is this, a Ninja? Yep. Something light. But I'm so tempted to go with them bikers over there. But I know for a fact I'll get pulled over. They might come this way. I'm finna wait right here. Here they come. Yes, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How you doing? Yeah. 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 Oh, they going over here at Fred Meyer's. Shit. I'll catch up with y'all later. Want to do some wheelies. Should I wait for them to on the street? Bro, I know for a fact that I'm gonna get pulled over. And I don't really care about that. What I do care about is like the police taking my bike, you know. Some weird shit like that. Oh shit, I forgot I was recording down here. Let me hit a couple wheelies. Oh my god, I'm so rusty. Ooh. Bro, y'all seen that? If I didn't let go of that throttle, I would have went flying. Oh! Oh fuck! That shit is scary, bro. Gotta lose that fear. I just gotta go with the momentum. Keep my foot on that rear brake. On God, I'm getting better with that clutch. I'm not good with that clutch. And these gloves, the back part right here, it's kind of like thick and fat, so it's kind of hard to like do that motion right there. Oh! What the fuck, bro? I was not expecting that shit. Oh my God, that was a good feeling. Woo! Let's do that shit again. Oh, bro, first gear I'm getting good. There to go right there, them bikers. Should I follow him? Yeah, hold on. If I get pulled over, bro, I gotta do this for y'all. Riding with the homies, you know. What's up, man? How you doing? Yeah. Nah, it's alright. He asked me if the speed go up. Nah, man. It's just a pit bike, yo. They finna leave my ass behind. I already know, bro. Aw, shit. Hey, this is just a pit bike.
What's up?
It's just a pit bike.
What?
It's just a pit bike.
Oh.
Yeah. It ain't even street legal.
I know. Is that Cruisin?
Yeah.
You got your GoPro on?
Yeah, it's recording everything.
Right now?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. That shit is sick, yo. My fucking eyes are so watery. I'm finna head back, bro. Driving the street, ain't even got a helmet on. Definitely finna get pulled over. If you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, and you know I appreciate you. Thank you for watching. Finally made it back. Peep the new hair. Something light. It's growing out. Cause I did this like a couple days ago. I mean a week or something. But yeah. Follow me on IG, man. Stay tuned.